ba a bebwampo amienya ansia miensa ntawantao bi obia sa presidential candidate no whoever emerges as the presidential candidate no between any nianu nya kampo aye reconciliation efresra apakosi asie.
Okay.
It came up say in the run up to 2024 election you have to enough time for proper reconciliation and accounted for the kind of results we had. Yenya internal division and my time to me the command NDC4. And we no see a tournament someone a beboa emma reconciliation no akoso na no so testing no ebecha because obia na our interest and no overarching interest in tino and in the lower level party internal elections obia because we were interest we were interest and they cover for you naba ebi o crowd me ko be e kwa to aba bi police station aba krampo no o candidate bia wo interest wo monti no beru ba bi kra ne you see at we and so that time I share the crown song. These are criminals, all of it will be avoided. Ibenya one unified, united front. That are calling name. Na idea. I've not Buama party na holding. To me, I quite name. To me, we know. It's news to the benefit of Ubibia when you pass for person Ujina near to the Swaba. A day flag bearer. So we are party penning. Na and it's already who so bad the flag bearer. Na peso ujina presidential primaries. Yeah. This is good news for you. Because Ubenya clear 3 years at the market. I ain't crown. Ubenya clear 3 years, nearly 3 years. To me, I could be a soko. No to me, I can be on swabum. And to win. And to mono them zinyan to ye and Tibino at Siano. But
yeah, but ansana obeton ho ama Ghana for no. E was say woton ho ma party for edikan na utimi wini flag bearership contest no. Asana wadwen number of years we here say obeton ho a kire Ghana for. What some have said they say 6 months e was so mo the campaign within the party to delegate any ade no. So 6 months no extra. Unte sa asem no.
No, I party constitution. Uba party constitution ni moi. A clear notice period. Sir, National Council. Babe said that. As one more said that. A bit to me, I'm minimum 6 months notice.
Yes.
And it is what to me, 6 months and so dear. Sir, it's a song. And no. In the framers of the constitution, who say 6 months is enough. Senka 6 months ni so a constitution no be say ye ma 1 year notice and 2 years notice. But the constitution say before 2 years clear there's a pound more than latest 2 years no to the next election no we should have our flag bearer in place. But any time earlier than that is also permissible. It can be 3 years, it can be 2.5 years, it can be 2 years, 6 months, 7 months. Never more. The notice period should be 6 months. In this case, free and now the copemo January 31st, 2026. It's more than 6 months. You know, idea a demo pepe. Never more. Sir Obeko 276 constituencies. And ye man for Aquacoding Kita home about 300,000 delegates. And you couldn't Kita home. Not so 6 months is amount. So which mean at all we are 300,000 delegates. 1 year. And I see a train out with the 2 years at a time home party for 300,000 delegates we are. About 16 million registered voters, no. I know the only 1 year Aquacoton Obi. That is argument that if you need 2 years to sell yourself to 300,000 delegates, now we are what the 1 year Aquaton the whole Ghana 16 million registered voters. They do Ukrainas are to 18 million. So the priority lies with you having sufficient time one ye de be ka ye ho abomu yi etu tokro bia because as parent here kwe mo ba ko pe ne be wini ya ka bia so mo nyina di mu and I always say sir one of you already declared bia he's a potential president in the next government.
Okay.
He's a potential flag bearer. And MPP, no, we have the men. We jina brani di mu. Then we back up the be and it is incumbent on one no be winning say. You better build a consensus. I build the unity. But internal election bia NDC mu MPP mu party bia mu no. Etimi na kame ewum, ranko wum, akrimoni wum.
We need normal, but me other thing is say MP say kwasra Dr. Baumia say na oka ho.
Na me jamu pa.
Enti for you think say only right person to lead mo party into 2028.
Yeah. Yeah, wo mpenin fo bebre a wo mo ayi wo manim. Omu nyina am de buo nya ne die de ma wo. Amenim fum so bia wo bia. Na mo mo no. Wo hwe party say to me in 2028. Now, sir, the selection of presidential candidate. No, what is to the voter behavior of Ghana near or Kotwaba? What is their voter behavior? In 96, a bra MPs never sabre no.
Why would you want to push for that? Oh, not just that. Nipa be known to be swa omunyomom so mukeshirenye. They know, say, the person who is the most favored and has the resources to go around with a proven record across the country is Baumia. Me, I have told him that I will not contest. And if he will contest, I will support him. And he is going to contest. Okay. So I will support him. Because I feel, say, Ghanaians did not listen to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia because they were angry with Nanado.
Okay.
Today, Nana don't want before and I go for the Tuaba. Na minyaba obi catch na Ghana say Tuaba mami meti electricity to 50%. Ghana for enti. Obi say Tuaba mami na mebeye mampanyini a oto ade a ubetwa ne kakra. Ene Ghana for are complaining about say electricity bokoso. It tells you that Ghanaians just did not listen to Dr. Baumia because so we need to give him that chance. And Nana do ni ho. Na Ghana for enfa asupam entie doctor. Yako 2028 na go for a decide tiena ni ehun se o. Na go for a decide tiena ni ehun se o. Na go for a decide tiena ni ehun se o. Na go for a decide tiena ni ehun se o.